microwave frequency. In 1999, 375 of the top companies in the microwave industry, they got together and said, let's go wireless. We'll call it Wi-Fi. And said, let's not bother with fibre optic cable or other cable systems. We can send wireless. And the frequency they chose, 2.4 gigahertz, to send wireless, because on paper it looked the most effective, and it is the most effective. It is also the choice that has been used since the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. It's the choice by the government stealth microwave warfare industry. So you have the most effective microwave frequency, and it's not just me saying this. You've got the leader of the Soviet Department of Nuclear and Atomic Sciences saying it. You've got the leader, a captain of the Secret Service, saying whatever you do, don't use this. This is the most effective weapon. Because it's the most effective weapon, it is the most effective Wi-Fi microwave frequency. And they said, Zonk, we'll have this one. So we are now giving pregnant women, children, whatever, the most effective weapon, and we're putting them up in schools like Dartington for children to be exposed to all of the time. In 1999.
Okay, so just let's read a little bit about Barrie Trower. Usually it's spelled Barrie Trower, former Navy, Royal Navy microwave weapons expert turned whistleblower. He's been warning the world about the dangers of EMFs, electromagnetic frequencies, and wireless tech for decades. Wi-Fi, 5G baby monitors, smart meters, he says they're not safe, and he has the science to back it up. They call him a conspiracy theorist, but is he really, or is he just telling the truth? Too early. Look him up, decide for yourself. Barrie Trower, and I'm very friendly with him. I've spoken with him, and he's guided me through a lot. And he has a lot of videos, a lot of educational videos, lectures, and he's just terrific. So I'll speak to you later. Thank you.